Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful rocket espresso machine. After make overhaul for the whole group head with the tune-up of course, and I replace the thermostat and rewiring those wires like connected to the thermostat. Let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot demo. And yeah, reposition this switch, the switch behind the lever. Perfect. It's really great shot with crema. It's tasty too. Let's go ahead and test the steamer. Works perfect. The hot water. Works great. All the functions works.
Yeah, that's funny.
Thank you for
Hey,
watching.
I got Toronto. This is the